God bless. This will be my last effort to talk to you. Hello, dear friend. Today I bring you a divine message that will touch your heart deeply. Prepare yourself for a profound transformation in all areas of your life. Listen to these words that have the power to renew, heal, and open doors you never knew existed. Dear child, on this day you will realize how immense is my infinite love for you. Feel my genuine affection and realize how much you are loved. Leave behind your sadness, because I want your hands to be free to receive the blessings that will soon be within your reach. Know that no adverse force has the power to shake you. Each tear you shed deserves a heavenly crown, a divine gift to savor, cherish, and share with others. This gift will blossom and spread abundantly. Affirm with confidence, I am worthy of the blessings that are coming my way. The time has come to follow my guidance, allowing yourself to let go of the pains of the past and keeping a firm focus on the final reward. Escape the trap of living in the shadow of bitter memories or depending on those who try to hinder the projects that I have reserved especially for you. If you have faith in me, surrender yourself wholeheartedly to this great plan that I have outlined for you. As you recognize the greatness of my love for you, it is important that you see yourself as worthy of all the blessings that are coming your way. The time has come to put divine guidance into practice, allowing yourself to let go of the weight of past hurts and focus your energies on the ultimate reward that awaits you. Do not allow yourself to be imprisoned by the shadows of painful memories or by the negative influences of others who may try to obstruct the exceptional plans reserved especially for your journey. As you place your trust in me and surrender yourself body and soul to this grand plan that I have outlined for you, be aware that you are walking a path filled with divine promises and boundless blessings. Believe firmly in your ability to receive and fully enjoy the gifts now within your reach, for each step under my guidance brings you closer to the full realization and materialization of the most sublime dreams destined to transform not only your life, but also those around you. Do not allow turbulent feelings to dictate your thoughts, actions, or behavior. Stand firm in adversity and in victory, knowing that I am always by your side. Even when you feel vulnerable, keep your faith alive, no matter how fragile it may seem. Even if your emotions indicate otherwise, be assured that my spirit and teachings will sustain you. Stand firm and do not fear, for you are not alone. Be clothed with hope and courage to face challenges with courage, for when you pass through the fire of adversity you will not be consumed, and when you cross mighty rivers you will not drown. Keep your heart firm, for I will be by your side at all times, even in the most difficult. Do not allow apathy to take hold of you or carry the weight of a troubled soul. My love is compassionate and knows the deepest pains of your being. Your moments of weakness will not be judged by me. On the contrary, I extend my unconditional love to you to illuminate the dark path that surrounds you. I seek your redemption, not your condemnation. Your repentance has brought forgiveness for all your shortcomings. Now it is time to forget the mistakes of the past and move forward to a new chapter filled with liberation and happiness in your life. When you feel exhaustion weighing down on your shoulders, know that you will find in me an inexhaustible source of strength. On days when fatigue threatens to take over, remember that I am here to revitalize your spirit and bring you peace. Fear not, for wonderful surprises await on the horizon. The words I bring you daily are seeds sown in your soul, sprouting strong roots and nourishing the fruits of your prayers. Anticipate an abundant harvest. Affirm with conviction, I am on the path of blessing and abundance. Abundance awaits you, and with it, immense joy will flood your being. Laughter will flow from your lips, joining the song of gratitude in your heart. Let yourself be enveloped by this solid promise, for the happiness I offer knows no bounds. By embracing these promises and believing in the transformation that is to come, you will be opening the doors to a new chapter in your life. Remember that each challenge overcome, each obstacle overcome, brings you closer to the full realization of your deepest dreams. Be aware that the universe conspires in your favor and that countless blessings await at your door. By committing to the journey of spiritual and personal growth, you will allow divine light to radiate through you and reach everyone around you. If these words have warmed your heart and enlightened your mind, do not hesitate to share this video with anyone who can also benefit from this message. Together, we can spread the hope and love that emanate from these sacred words. If these words touched your heart in any way, share this video and spread the hope and transformation it offers. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, join our community by clicking the subscribe button and activate the bell so you don't miss out on the latest news. Remember, every step towards change is not only a personal victory, but also an inspiration to everyone around you. May the divine message continue to echo throughout your journey, strengthening your faith and renewing your hopes. Know that above all, there is unconditional love guiding your steps and propelling you towards a life full of meaning.